Dun da 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 da. Oh, what a peaceful day. Gotta catch the string. Hey, where'd it go? Do you like our cat house video? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do do. I'm gonna go see what's over here. Wouldn't it be fun if something epic happened today? Yeah, like me chasing Cinderella into the house. No, like something really cool. Wait, you're chasing me? Ah! I wish my friends would get back from hunting. I told them I would tell them a secret about getting inside. I wish they would come. All the outdoor cats want to go inside. Not just them, and I have a plan. That mouse. Wait, that mouse. If I remember correctly, in the door. In the door over at their house. Inside, no, upstairs. A little mouse lays there, and it's the key to get inside. We could get that mouse, we could live inside. But we can't get the mouse to go inside. Wait, we have to have a cat that lives in the house. Get inside, get the mouse, bring it to us, and then we could live inside. But that cat has to want something that we could give them. Wait. I've got it. Heartbeat. I gotta go to the door. I gotta go to the door and ask Heartbeat. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Meow, meow, meow. I gotta get Heartbeat. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where could she be? There. I got it. What do you want? Hey, if you could get that mouse in your house, we could come inside, swap, and you could live outside. It'll be perfect. Can you do that for us? And then you can live outside, I promise. I guess. You can't do that, Heartbeat. You can't trust the outdoor cats. Trust me. They promised. Fine. Just gotta give this to the outdoor cats. Did you get it, Heartbeat? There it is. Yeah. Okay, now inside the mouse, underneath it, there should be two little battery-looking things. But that is really the key to live inside. Let's undo. Oh yeah, we did it. Oh yeah, we did it. Now I can get inside. Not yet. You better teach me how to be outside first. Okay. But let me go get Elatus first. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. It's so peaceful. Elatus, I'm telling you, he's probably got an idea by now. Okay, fine. Let's go. Just one more little nap, tiny nap. Okay, I'm up. We'll go ask him. All right, everybody, volunteer. I will. I'm coming. No, I go ask him. All righty. So what's the outline? No one, especially Heartbeat, lives in our territory. That's it. Got it. Let's go. Bye. Gotta stop in the shade for a second. All right, I'm up. A little more. I'm here. Phew. You came up with an idea, Black? Yep. Okay, what is it? Well, I actually got it. The mouse. The mouse that lets you live there? Yep. Cool beans. No catch? Yeah. What is it? I bet Elatus will do anything. Well, maybe not anything. Well, just not letting Harpy into his territory outside, but that's all. What is the catch? That? What? Oh no. Elatus is gonna be so mad. What did you do, Black? I'm sorry, I tried. That was the only thing. What am I gonna tell Elatus? What am I gonna tell Elatus? What am I gonna tell Elatus? Oh, it's okay, Black. It's okay. Okay. Phew. Oh, make a deal. What? Well, we tell Heartbeat that Elatus said no. Maybe she'll be okay with it. I know Heartbeat. She's pretty relaxed. A little bit relaxed. Okay. She sounded pretty serious. Okay, we'll just try. I'm hot. You try. You do it. No, you. No, you ask Heartbeat. Okay. Fine. Let's go ask Heartbeat, I guess. Okay. Come on. Heartbeat? Heartbeat? What? Elatus said you can't live in his territory. Deal off. Give me back that mouse. No. Nineveh, hide the mouse. Or we could hide the key. Good idea. Without the key, the mouse will be no good, and we can use the keys to get inside. I'll hide them in this pile of cardboard. Now we can give her back the mouse, but she won't have the key. Yeah. Okay, Heartbeat. You win. You get the mouse. I win? Seriously? Good. Nice. Thank you very much. That is mine. Woohoo! What? Wait. It doesn't have the keys in it. Those little stinkers. Okay, Cinderella and Kiwi and Tux, we have a job to do. Find those keys. Sorry, Harpy, I'm kind of sleepy. I know the keys are keys to the house, but why can't they, to our house, but why can't they just live in the human's house? Because, Goober, the humans don't let them in their house. They have to live in our house. Oh, okay. Kiwi and Tux, go get those keys. Okay, first I'll check where the bikes are, then I'll check underneath each cat, and then I'll check in that cardboard stash. They've got to be in there. Oh no, Tux is coming. You mean Heartbeat figured out our trick? Looks like it. You better not be hiding it under you. Look in the bike area. Not in the bike area. What was my next thing? Cardboard stash. Oh no. Let's go look in their cardboard stash house. Not in there. Doesn't look like it's in there. It's not in there. Well, I don't know where could it be. There! In that cardboard stash. There they are. Oh no. Got him, Heartbeat. Now you better give me that bone. Good. Thanks, Tuxedo. I'll give you that bone. Perfect. Now we gotta get this mouse back in our house. Done. Thanks, everybody. Told you couldn't trust the outdoor cat. Now, where's my brother? Leave him. Good idea, Tux. I'll listen to you. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. We may have our differences and fights sometimes, but we're trying to work it along. So come along and have some fun at the cat place, where cat makes everything an adventure. Cat mysteries and cats that are good and bad, and some are friends but find a lot. We're working out all our differences. On each episode we make more friends. The end.